Okay, good morning everybody. Now we're going to start our today's lesson. In our previous classes, we talked about how to write sentences, paragraphs, and developing different kind of paragraphs. Today, by this presentation, we'll be looking through the 5 different types of academic type of essays. Here you can see our outline of the presentation. We'll start from introduction part, and then we'll be looking through one by one 5 types of academic writings, academic essays. First, we'll start from opinion essay, next the discussion essay, following will be problem solution essay, advantage disadvantages essay, and the last one will be double question essay. So here is the introduction of our presentation. As there is mentioned, there are 5 main types of academic writing task to assess, and it's also widely used in one of the international test assessment system, which is called IELTS. And in most cases, questions fit one of these categories. However, questions can be written in many different ways, which can make it difficult to determine which type of there are. Yes? And first of all, they will be we should look through basic structure or classic structure of the essay. So there will be we can see 4-part structure. In most cases, are recommended by various instructors, including introduction part, 2 main paragraphs, and 1 conclusion part. So now in this presentation we'll be looking through all of the essay types. 5 essay types one by one, and we'll be looking through from opinion essay. We will start from opinion essay. So in some cases, according to some other references, opinion essay also called agree-disagree essay or argumentative essay. But originally in academic essay, in academic writing, it is called opinion essay. As usual, first part of the question will be a statement, and then you will be asked to give your opinion about the statement. And some students ask, like, how can we identify whether it's opinion essay, problem solution, and other type of essay? According to the follow-up question, we are going to identify type of essay. If there is written such kind of questions, including what is your opinion, do you agree or disagree, to what extent do you agree or disagree, without any hesitation, you can say that you are going to write opinion type of essay. So in the following slide, we are going to look through some key tips for opinion essay. First of all, we should try to choose one side of the argument. What does it mean, one side of the argument? It means that you are asked whether you are agree or disagree with this statement. In most cases, if you just pick up one side of the argument. However, you can write just both sides of the argument by keeping balance. For one, maybe the paragraph 1, you are going to write agree, and next one you are going to write disagree. And you mustn't forget one thing. In opinion essay, you should state your opinion clearly in the introduction part. And you will be assessed according to 4 criteria in academic writing type of essay. That's why one of the criteria is coherence and cohesion. That's why you should try to keep the same opinions throughout the essay. And you shouldn't forget also give reasons and examples why you agree with this statement or why you disagree with this statement. And you mustn't forget one thing. It doesn't matter which side of the argument you take or even you agree with it. Choose one, just only one you can develop the best argument for. And you shouldn't change your opinion parts through the essay, and also you shouldn't give reasons for opposing ideas. And you can see here is some examples for each question. Like, look at this second example. A big salary is much more important than job satisfaction. And next one is question. According to this question, we are going to identify it is opinion type of essay. Do you agree or disagree? And so here is, you can see our basic structure of opinion essay: introduction, main body paragraph, conclusion, and 4 parts. And next type of essay, discussion essay. In discussion essay, like it is somehow just it has some similarities and differences between just opinion and discussion essay. But in discussion essay, you have to discuss both sides of an argument. You are given one argument, and then in this argument, they are just provided other people's opinion, or just how can I say? Contradictory opinion. If some people agree with this statement and others do not agree with this statement. And in this part of all essay, you will be asked also, you should provide your opinion as well. And in discussion essay, one of the easiest way to approach this type of essay, question, is to select one point of view to agree and another one you disagree with it. And here's also provided some key tips. You should develop both sides of the argument, and you should talk about view you don't agree first. It means that you do not agree first side of the argument. In that case, you should start from this main body paragraph 1. And in some cases, students have such kind of a big mistake. So many students make is to fully develop one point of view. This leads to an unbalanced essay and low score for task achievement. So, okay. It is easier to begin by discussing the opinion you don't agree with, and then present the reasons for opposing idea. So you can see some example statements and questions for it. Like, look at this second statement. Many people believe that all zoos should be closed, while others claim that zoos have a positive effect. Like, you can see here is one contradictory just idea, one argument, and then people have contradictory stances towards this argument. And you should discuss both and give your opinion in this type of essay. Here, as you can see, a basic structure of the essay. And next one will be problem and solution essay. Problem solution essay also we talked in our just previous classes. In some cases, it's also called cause and solution, problem and solution, or only solutions. And you will be provided a statement. After the statement, you are given question. According to this question, you are going to identify type of the essay. Here you can see also some questions, sample questions. It is essay structure, including introduction, main body, two main body paragraphs, and conclusion parts. And another next type of essay, advantages and disadvantages essay. And in this part of essay, you are going to write about what the advantages and disadvantages of this as just one statement. And how can we identify this type of essay? As usual, we are going to identify this type of essay according to the provided follow-up question, like what are the advantages and disadvantages of something? Do you think advantages outweigh disadvantages? Discuss advantages and disadvantages, give your opinion. And you should pay attention also some paraphrased version of words, like pros and cons, merits and demerits, benefits and drawbacks, good and bad sides, and others as well. So it is some sample questions for advantages and disadvantages, and it is the essay structure. And you shouldn't forget one thing, and we can use this essay structure not only for only advantage, disadvantage, or just problem solution essay, but also other 5 types of essay we can use these structures. And last, double question essay, and some cases it's also called a double question essay or direct question. Why it is called? Because after the statement you are provided with 2 questions, maybe linked or may not be linked to each other. And tips, you shouldn't forget about it. You must answer both questions fully. Don't confuse it with opinion or discussion or other type of essay. And you should be careful. Just we're ending up with too many ideas. You should just answer the question with the help of 2 or 3 answers, or just only one answer also will be enough for one paragraph. And it is just some typical questions or essay questions for double question essay, and it is essay structure. and it will be also the same, including introduction to main body paragraphs and conclusion part. It was the last slide of our presentation, and in the following classes, we'll be looking through all of the essay types one by one by analyzing, discussing, and writing type of academic type of essay. It was the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.